Hey everyone, welcome back to NIIT YouTube channel, and in today's video we are diving into one of the most important AI architecture powering almost every real-world AI system today, which is RAG. RAG stands for Retrieval-Augmented Generation. Whenever you see an AI model read a PDF, answer questions from long document, or understand your company policies, that's not magic. That's RAG working behind the scene, and in this video I'm going to break down exactly what RAG is, why it matters, and how the full technical pipeline actually works step by step. By the end of this video, you will fully understand how modern AI systems attach your own knowledge to a local LLM and without hitting the context window limit. And trust me, if you're learning AI development in 2025, RAG is a skill you absolutely need. Let's jump in and see what RAG is. So, what exactly is RAG? Here is the simplest technical definition. RAG is an architecture that combines semantic search with a large language model to generate accurate, context-aware answer grounded in your own data. It works as a two-step pipeline: retrieve and generate. First, the system performs a semantic search over your own data and retrieve the most relevant chunks out of it. Then, it feeds those chunks into the LLM to produce the final answer based on the evidence, not hallucination. And the most important part, RAG does not change model weight. It simply augments the model with external knowledge, like attaching a real-time search engine directly into the prompt. Talking to ChatGPT feels simple, right? You type something and it answers. But the moment you try to build your own AI system that needs to answer with your own private data, the things start breaking. Because here is the truth. LLM do not know your internal document. They don't know your PDF, your meeting note, your research paper, or your policy manuals. They only know what they were trained on. Nothing more. If you tried pasting text into the prompt, you hit the context limit pretty quickly. Older information get dropped, ignored, or lost. And yes, you could fine-tune the model, but that's expensive, slow, static, and terrible when your data changes frequently. So, the real question begins: how do we let an AI model use our knowledge without restraining it and without hitting the context limit? This is the exact problem RAG solves. So, I will explain you RAG in the most simple two-step process. Step 1. Retrieve. Take the user query, embed it into the vector space, search a vector database to return the top k most relevant chunks. Step 2. Generate. Inject those chunks into the prompt so the LLM can produce a grounded, accurate answer. Retrieve first, generate second. This simple two-step loop powers everything from chat with PDF app to full enterprise knowledge assistant. So now let's break down the full RAG system end to end. The first one in the list is document loading. We take PDF, Word file, HTML page, Slack, message, transcript, and convert everything into the raw text. Second, chunking. That text is broken into the smaller overlapping pieces, usually around 300 to 800 tokens, with around 10 to 20% overlap so the meaning stays consistent. Third, embedding. Each chunk is transformed into a high-dimensional vector, basically a numerical representation of the meaning. Fourth, the vector database. All of those vectors are stored inside a vector store, like FAISS, or Pinecone, or Chroma, which is optimized for super fast similarity search. Fifth one in the list, retrieval. When the user asks a question, that query is also converted into the vector, compared against the database, and we pull the top most relevant chunks out of it. Finally, last but not the least, generation. We inject those retrieved chunks directly into the model prompt, and the LLM produces a grounded, accurate answer based on real information, not hallucination. Now let's see where RAG actually works in today's world. RAG is already everywhere in the AI industry. It powers chat with PDF tools, automated customer support agent, HR and policy assistant, internal knowledge search engine, and multi-agent system that generate a reference live document. If an AI model answers a question using document it wasn't trained on, it's using RAG. So, how RAG changes the way AI works in today's world. RAG is a game changer because it transforms a generic language model into a domain-aware context-driven knowledge system. It enables accurate answers grounded in real data, real-time updates, private and secure enterprise knowledge integration, huge cost saving compared to the fine-tuning model, scalable, production-ready AI system. RAG is not just a tool, it's becoming the standard architecture for modern AI applications. So let's wrap up. to our introduction to RAG, the architecture powering knowledge-aware AI in real world. In upcoming videos, we are going to build real RAG system using framework like LangChain, Llama Index, and deploy them into the production. So stay tuned for a hand-on project episode. If you enjoy this video, hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comment section what RAG project you want us to build next. Thanks for watching. I'm Mukul from NIIT, making learning tech simpler, smarter, and fun. I will see you in the next episode.